So how do you and Jill like your apartment?
Oh, it's great. It's a little small, but it's really convenient and quiet.
Yeah, this is a good location. Eric and I like living here.
By the way, where do you buy your groceries?
We usually go to Larson's. It's on the corner of Pine Street and First Avenue.
It's near the subway, right?
Yep.
Jill and I usually go to Market Fair.
Is it by the park?
Right. It's not far at all. We walk there.
Maybe I'll go there next time. So do you have everything you need for your apartment now?
I'm sleeping on the sofa at the moment. Do you know where I could get a bed? Also, I want to get some chairs and a bookcase.
Do you need a desk? I have one I'm not using.
No, I have a desk, but thank you.
You know, why don't you check out the Superstore? They have everything you need, and their stuff is really cheap.
The Superstore. I think I saw an ad for them on TV. Is it near?
It's on Mason Street, you know, just after the movie theater. It's across from Pace Supermarket.
Do they have parking?
The parking lot is around the corner on West Avenue. Go past the store, take a right, and you come to the parking lot.
Great. I'll stop by today. Say, want to come with me?
I do need a new lamp, but I can't go today. I have to study.
I'll pick it up for you.
Are you sure?
Why not? What kind of lamp do you want?
I just need a lamp that works. My bedroom is too dark.
Okay, I think I know just what you need to brighten your room.
Come in.
I found the perfect lamp for your room. Isn't it bright?
It definitely is. Thanks, Maria. Your phone has a really cool design.
I really like it. It's light and thin. I can even video chat with my friends. I also buy tons of apps.
How often do you buy apps?
I buy them every day.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
No, sometimes they're free.
I need a new phone.
What's yours like? Wow, that is really big.
Yes, but I can hear the other person really well.
Hi guys.
What are you doing, Eric?
Oh, I'm going to sell this chair online.
I'll take it. Give it to me. I need a desk chair.
I can give it to you. For $40.
$40? That's expensive. A new chair costs $40 at the superstore. How about $20?
20? I paid 50 for it.
How long have you had it for?
I've had it for 2 years, but it is in excellent condition. And it's a very lucky chair.
How is it lucky?
I've studied for all my tests sitting in this chair. I always get A's on all my tests.
That is lucky. Would you accept 30?
Tom, I want the chair. I'll give you 35.
Wait, so Tom, you'll buy it for 30. And Jill, you want it for 35.
I'll give you 40.
I'll take it for $40.50.
$41.
$42.50.
$55, and that's my final offer.
Wow, that's expensive for a used chair. Eric paid $50 for it.
You're right.
Sold to Tom for $55. Take care of my lucky chair, Tom.
Wait, why are you selling it in the first place if it's lucky?
My friend has a chair, and he's always gotten A pluses. I'm buying his lucky chair. What time are Maria and Jill coming over?
I told them to come by around 7.
It's almost 7. Do you want me to help cook?
No, it's okay. You know I love to cook.
Okay. What are you planning to make?
I'm not sure.
Not pasta, right? We had pasta every day for the past few weeks.
Okay. No pasta.
What about
curry and rice.
What are the ingredients?
Huh. Potatoes, onions, carrots, coconut milk, and rice. Oh, and lots of spices. It's spicy, but it's delicious.
Okay, let's see what we have.
What do we need to buy?
We need some onions.
Do we need to get any potatoes?
No, we have some potatoes, but we need carrots, coconut milk, rice, and lots of spices.
We don't have time to go to the supermarket.
We can make something with what we have.
That must be them. Come in.
Hi, Eric. Hi, Tom.
Hello.
Thanks so much for inviting us to dinner.
No problem.
What are you guys cooking for dinner?
We're not sure. Do you guys eat many vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
Actually, I never eat vegetables. I don't like them.
Okay. What about chicken?
I usually eat chicken.
I try not to eat a lot of meat.
What about potatoes?
We both don't eat potatoes.
Okay. I think I know what to make. We have everything we need, and I know everyone's gonna like it.
What is it?
I can't tell you. It's a surprise.
What does it taste like?
Not too salty and not too sweet. It's delicious.
What's in it?
Tomatoes, cheese, noodles.
Pasta.
That's right. How did you guys know?
Pasta. Hi, Jill.
Hi, Eric.
How's it going? How was your weekend in Washington, D.C.?
Fantastic. It was really a great time.
Oh, yeah? What did you do there?
Well, first I took a bus tour of the city. It really is such a beautiful place. So many interesting buildings and monuments. I love the Washington Monument.
Yeah, the monument is incredible.
Then I went to the Smithsonian Museum. There's always so much stuff to see there.
Yeah. I saw a great dinosaur exhibition last time I was there. It was fantastic.
Wow. After that, I decided to walk to the Lincoln Memorial, but then it started to rain and I got completely wet.
How awful.
No, it was okay. I went back to my hotel, changed my clothes, and went out again later, this time with an umbrella.
Good thinking.
That night, I went to a classical concert. How about you? What did you do last weekend?
Not much, really. I worked all day on Saturday. On Sunday, Tom and I played tennis.
Oh, you exercised.
Yep. After that, we went to a movie. We saw the new James Bond film.
You did? How was it?
It was great. Then we went shopping.
Did you buy anything?
Yeah. I got this video camera. It was $500, but I got it on sale for only $175. You won't believe what I got on this video camera.
What?
I was at the park, and I saw an elephant.
No way. Why was the elephant in the park?
It had escaped from the zoo. It wasn't dangerous. I even gave it my sandwich. It was incredible. And I have it all on video. I'm going to put it on YouTube.
Oh, I want to see.
Hold on.
Hello? 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 Hi, Eric. This is a really nice camera. I just wanted to tell you that. Hope I didn't erase anything important.